Leo Tsang, who's Group CIO from Emperor Group, is actually going to speak to us remotely today. He was unable to be on site. But welcome, Leo, to the event virtually, and we're excited to have you talk about what Emperor Group is doing on BSN Spartan.
Hi, everyone. My name is Leo Tsang. I'm the Group CIO for Emperor Group. I wish I could be there in the scene with you guys, so that we can actually really talk more about the whole thing. But I'm recovering from COVID, so I'm under quarantine. I might still cough a little, so bear with me. So let me start sharing our experience and our use case of the BSN network. To begin, let me just quickly introduce our background and our company, even though I believe pretty much everybody knows about the Emperor Group. So the Emperor Group, it was founded in 1942. It started as a watch retail business. And over 80 years of growth and expansion and development, and it has expanded into a famous and well-diversified conglomerate in different retail businesses. The property, financial services, watch and jewelry, entertainment and culture, hospitality, digital media, and home living. So you can see that it's well diversified, meaning that we cover a lot of retail market. So we are total retail focused. When I say we're total retail focused, that would actually go into as my role as a CIO. So when we look into, well, how do we define the right IT strategy? Then that means that we have to think about our retail customer. And especially this year is our 80th anniversary for the Emperor Group. And the vision is from time to timeless. You can see, we do have that icon over there. So that's why for us, we have to think of, we want to think about how to make the technology become creating value to the retail customer. So let's put it back into the train of thought. We know our business, we know our customer, we know what we want to do. We want to use technology to create value for our retail customer. But how? It sounds very logical, right? Very clear, very simple. Actually, not quite. Because it's hard to find the one that has the real meaning for us. So when we were evaluating different options and thinking about it and thinking about what to do, and that's the first time when we met with BSN to learn about the non-crypto blockchain service network and also the feasibility of technology commercialization. So what do I mean by that? It was partly explained by Kim Bailey and also Yvonne, because if we are using, I was actually joking on the other time that, if one day we're going to offer a movie ticket as a token, we won't be able to do a crypto backend, right? Because the crypto will be more expensive than movie ticket. So that's why, the feasibility of technology commercialization is actually a very important part of it. Next page, please. So now, when we talk about the blockchain, it was introduced more than a decade ago. But then out of all these use cases that has been created, they actually have a lot of use cases because they have the decentralized and distributed architecture, the security, the privacy, the immutability, the traceability, and more. So there are a lot of use case has been created. But even now, the most general public, they would probably and mostly referring blockchain to think of would be the digital assets, not the access, but the assets mainly, which is the cryptocurrency, NFT, digital art, and metaverse. And they read about this on the newspaper all the time. Not everybody will be trading it. And that's why we want to think different. Because we mentioned that the Emperor Group is is a diversified retail leader. So we want to think about how do we actually use this technology so then you will create the greater, wider, and broader accessibility to the public. That means more people will be able to use this technology. Let me give an example. So for example, if we go back in the history, we see the internet was created in 1970s, and it was created for military use. But at this time, we look at it, anybody knows the internet is for everyone, it's everywhere, and it's everything. So the internet didn't stop when it was only created for the military. It actually goes for everything. And the technology itself is exactly like that. It's not just innovation, it's also the inclusion. So as a retailer, that's exactly what we want to achieve. We want to see how to use this opportunity, whether there is something that we can create for the general public, so that this technology could be for everybody. And at the current time, because there are a lot of the cost of the blockchain with the crypto, it's not actually everybody will be able to use some piece on the blockchain technology. And that's actually what we are trying to do. So in short, we try to put this blockchain technology into everybody's daily life. Now, let me move a little bit to the POC so that I can show you what we do there. Next page, please. So what you see on the screen, this is basically the gift redemption process, main page. It is a very simple process. Next page, please. So customer, they just need to scan the QR code on the movie ticket. And for those movie tickets who participate in the gift promotion, then the customer will receive an NFT in their wallet for free. Next page, please. So this is it. Now, if you look at the screen in this example, the customer, they have four NFT gift tokens. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 of the picture. Those are NFT. And we give it for free into their E+ wallet, which is our Emperor for this gift redemption for the cinema. We created this NFT and also this wallet. It has, from a customer's perspective, they're able to see, okay, I have 4 gift token, where to collect it, whether it has been collected or not. And it will stay there. And the NFT is in their E+ wallet. And again, like we said, we give it out for free. By doing this, we are actually, why do we want to use the movie theater? Because we think about who doesn't want to enjoy a movie with their family and friends. So the movie, the cinema would be one of the most accessible to the general public. So we're taking a baby step, but we're not trying to do something fancy. We're not trying to do something totally different, because we are trying to upgrade the current process with the blockchain into it. So you can see in this particular gift token NFT, we have the NFT inside, and then we do have the blockchain technology, and therefore it has enhanced security, high transparency, high traceability, and also their scalability. What I mean by scalability, it means a few things. First of all, we can, is the volume bit, because of the feasibility, we can actually give all these to all our customer when there's a promotion for the gifts. For the cinema gift, that's not a concern. Number two, we can also see what other things we can use the same technology to offer to the general public, because that goes back into the vision. How can we make this technology more widely used for benefit or more benefit to the retail public? And also, we see this opportunity of this technology. We could work with other partners on a BSN to create a wider ecosystem where there could be more business opportunity or product offering to the market and to our customers. And of course, everything for us is commercial. So we want to use this to make our customer happy, and we want to use this so then we can make more value to the market. I have one last bit I want to share is the experience with the BSN. Before that, I would like to thank you for everyone involved who make this POC possible. Thank you to the colleagues on the BSN side, and thank you to the colleagues on the Emperor Group. Couple months ago, when we first discussed, yes, we really like the idea, and then we start thinking about what to do. And then out of everything, we decided movie, cinema is the best one. And let's do the gift redemption. Let's give a try on that. But at that time, even though we know blockchain, but we have never done a blockchain project. Yes, I know BSN is not just about blockchain, but for us, we still need to do a blockchain prototype. And we work with the BSN and we collaborate together. And over a very short time, we have already been getting on the right speed. And that actually brings everything up to now, where I will be here and speaking with you about our use case and our experience with the BSN. That's all I want to share today. Thank you.